My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello, my name is Meri Martin. I'm the owner and the inventor of the PetPeePee revolutionary system to clean antique Oriental rug from dog or cat's urine odor. After we clean your rug, your baby can crawl on the rug. You can do yoga on the rug. The rug will be perfectly clean, no trace of any odor, no deodorize, no enzyme. So how we do that? A suction comes from under the rug and we flood the rug on the top. So everything then it's on the top of the rug will go through the rug, fall down to the pan and go to the sewage. We don't use no scrubber, no machine, no rollers. Simply, we don't touch the rug in the wet cleaning process. A cold water and blended minerals from the Dead Sea, then it is odor-free, organic, healthy, environment, safe. And on the way to the sewage, the clear tube that show all the pee-pee. Everything then it's in the rug. The crystal of the pee-pee, the cleaning product the customer use, the soap the customer use, the dirt, everything will go through the tube. And when the tube become clear, we know the process is done. We vacuum the rug by hand because antique rug deserve a special care. And we let it dry on the floor with a blower, very gentle. We let it dry for 24 hours and then after this we deliver the rug to the customers. Thank you for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal. Thank you. Please look at other video how we clean drapery from urine odor.
My dog peed on the carpet.